Hi, to pair your Marshall Miner 4 with an app as a first step, let's connect them to the phone. For that, you will need to open the case and make sure that both earbuds are in the charging case. After that, take a look at its bottom part and here you'll find this black button which we need to hold so that indicator on the front will be blinking blue. Let's try this out. And now it is blinking, so it's ready to be paired. Do not close the case, just go into your phone settings. From here, choose Bluetooth. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and now we should find the name of our device in the list of other devices. Tap it to select, and just in a couple of seconds you would see the status connected near the name of your device, and you would find it in the list of My Devices, so now they are paired. After that, we will need to go in App Store or Play Store depending on your device. And from here, find and download this Marshall Bluetooth app. Once downloaded, we can immediately open it. And here we need to tap this white button, Add New Device. And they found our Miner 4. So we need to click this Add button. And now simply wait a couple of seconds till it's loading. And now we need to confirm pairing process here. And after that, we can tap this white button Continue. Now we can see some on-screen instructions how to use this app properly. Just tap Get Started button. And now they are connected to the app. So once the connection is made, you'll have access to settings. You can adjust the battery saving level and download the latest software updates. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.